Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another unboxing. I am not going to just be unboxing one box or two, but this is going to be a triple unboxing. Yes, you heard that right. I have 3 items to unbox, one of which is a gorgeous handbag that I have been lusting after for months, and it finally went on sale. And if you look at my community page, you would have seen the posts that I put up about the sale. So that is what is behind curtain number 1. Let's go ahead and see what we can see. I have my handy dandy ceramic knife so as to not cut into the delicate contents of this particular box. Oh, and by the way, I didn't pose with my thing. Anyhow, let's get in here and see what we can see. First, just a friendly tip. When you order from Bloomingdale's, if you order just one thing extra, sometimes that will bump you up into another $25 reward card. I got these Under Armour shorts for one of my boys. I imagine the bigger boy because they fit, or they seem to be just a bit big, but these are kind of almost like a swimsuit material, and they were on sale, and they got me up over the $500 mark, which means I ordered a $100 gift card with this bag, which I then went on to spend on my boys' clothing, hence, in my mind, subtracting the $100 out of this bag. You see how I think? One thing that came to my attention is that there has been a design change since the last Tory Burch Kira top handle satchel that I bought. So here's the reveal. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, this is so nice. This is super smooth. So this is the Kira in the Raffia, and it is just stunning. Oh my gosh. That adds just such an extra bit of pizzazz to this bag. I may need to get my glasses out to fully inspect her, but she is looking fabulous. Okay, let's open her up, take out some of the wrapping. Look at the inside. We've got a little bit of denting going on, but that's the inside, so that's okay. And then if we look at the bottom's all good. Look at how cool the raffia is on the sides. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I wonder how functional. This back pocket is very spacious, so it's going to be very functional. On my Kiras that I have so far, the denim Kira as well as my beeswax Kira, the handle is very flat. This handle is completely rounded, very much like the Chanel Trendy, I believe, is the bag. They do a rounded handle on theirs. But theirs doesn't fold down like this in the same way. And I imagine doing this rounded handle is going to allow for the handle to keep its shape a little better. That was one issue I noticed with my flat handle, is that sometimes when they came, they were a little bit warped, and then I would have to hang it on a doorknob to try to straighten it out. This one came just pretty much perfect. So let's take a little tour of the bag. I've showed you my Kiras before, but they come with a beautiful strap that has a chain on the end. And I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you. And then I have some strap action to show you. Not strap-on action, just plain old strap action, although I will be strapping the straps on, if that makes any sense. So I'm clipping the hooks to the little D-rings on the back of the bag, or on the top of the bag. So let's show you this little beauty crossbody. You can see it's up too high for me right now. So I'm going to go ahead and lower her down. There we go. Now that's a pretty nice place to sit for this beauty. But I also have some other options to show you, including a chain strap that you can use on the shoulder with this gorgeous bag. I just can't get enough. Don't you want to eat her right up? So here is a gorgeous chain by Yichain on Amazon. It's in the brushed gold finish, so I think it'll pair quite nicely with this particular bag. So there is my favorite way to wear these bags. This is about, I believe, a 23 or maybe a 26-inch drop. And see how nicely it rests at my hip? It is just perfection, in my opinion. I like to just kind of hold it like this. And then when I get out of the car, I can put it on my elbow and just let the chain drape like that. Isn't that pretty? But if you thought I was done there, I'm not. I'm gonna go just a wee bit crazier and show you some more stuff. Enter the non-branded black tally coach strap. So I have found that if you're gonna use, oh no. So it doesn't work. For anybody who has wanted to try this, the clips are really almost too big. I may be able to get away with it. Let me try. So you have to put it through this middle link right here. And you've got to do it, I guess you can just do it right from the outside. On this side I did the inside, so that it lines up just like so. I'm not sure how good it's going to look on though. Let's give it a try. Hey, that's not bad. Oh, it came unclipped though. Yeah, I don't know that this is going to work unless you put a ring. Unless you put a ring through there that you can clip the coach clip on, it's not going to work. But that would be a cool combination perhaps. Just looking at it though, it looks a little bit busy to me. So maybe I can try the Coach camera bag strap because it comes with the more delicate ends. So let's give that a try. Oh yeah, these fit in there pretty much perfectly. So there is an advantage to using the littler, less substantial clips on straps because it gives you more versatility with your bags. So there you go. I think that looks pretty nice. I don't know. I think a solid black strap would probably look better with this bag. What do you think? I think that having it with a stripe and a pattern whenever the bag itself has stripes isn't the best bet. So I think that this may be the best option. This strap is from See-Through Purses. The gold hardware does not match the Tory hardware perfectly because it's a shiny gold and the Tory is more of an antiqued brush gold. But this is a very comfortable way to wear this bag. It looks even prettier if you've got the buckle in the front, like so. See? So this is definitely an option that is significantly more comfortable than the skinny strap with chain it comes with. But I still feel like this bag is more of a top handle top bag. A top handle top. I feel like this bag is more of a top handle / shoulder bag, and I love the chain that I have with it. So that is the way I'm going to wear this bag, just like I wear my denim Kira and my beeswax Kira. It is just stunning though. What do you guys think? Beautiful. I'm not disappointed one bit. And then if you look at the interior, it has a gorgeous honey colored micro suede in it with the zipper pocket in the middle, and then the back compartment has a zippered pocket, and it's just the softest fabric. There's a slip pocket in the front, and then the leather on the inside of the flap as well as the bag is really, really luscious. I find that this piece, or I think that this piece is super special, and I definitely plan on keeping it. And I'm glad I got this one versus the all black because I just love the details that Tory Burch adds to her bags. I feel like it's just, like extra chef's kiss. I say that a lot lately, but I really, really, really love it. For those of you who want to tune out now, I'm going to open my 2 pairs of Hey Dude shoes that I have told you about in previous videos. One pair I already have. They're the black Britt, which are the ones with the fur around the top, but the other pair I haven't showed you yet, so I definitely want to show you those. They're called charcoal, and the charcoal ones do not look charcoal. They look gray to me, in my opinion. So I opened the charcoal pair first, and they are a perfect, beautiful shade of gray. They're slightly different than the ones I showed you yesterday where the fur didn't come up on your ankle. It was just shorter. So this pair here, these are the gray corduroy, and this is the charcoal corduroy. It's just slightly darker, and of course the heel is where it's really darker. I would definitely say the heel is charcoal on the bottom pair, and the heel is just gray on the top pair. But I love that these have charcoal woven into there as well as into the fabric. And by the way, this style shoe, for anybody who likes to lace their shoes up, the Britt shoe does lace. The other ones They're more like slip-ons, but if you want to tighten your shoe, the Britt shoe does lace up. So unboxing the second pair, this pair is called Black, and I think that these are more charcoal than black because with all of the variation in the color palette, when I put them on with charcoal pants, they match pretty well perfectly. This side, or this part here, is really a gray color, and the faux fur on these is unbelievably soft. I also think it's a nice touch that the back heel is a plaid color, and the entire inside, all the way up to the tip of your toes, is lined in a plush, not quite as thick as it is here, but it is lined in a plush material all the way up. So these are going to definitely keep your feet warmer in the winter time, and you can wear them with a short sock without them showing, which is why I love them so much. So I hope you've enjoyed this triple unboxing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you don't miss any future exciting content such as this. Go find me on Instagram too. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the handbag housewife if you're looking for me in the search bar. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can email me anytime at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.